Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to uninstall an application from your computer. The application might not be working or it's taking some storage space and you want to delete it completely from your computer. Here is how you can uninstall it. The first thing to do is to press the Windows key. You should see a search box and you are going to write and search for Control Panel. Press enter or click on it once you found it. Locate where there is written programs. Below it you should see where it's written uninstall a program and you are going to click on it. On the interface you are seeing it's all the programs you have in your computer. Select the program you want to uninstall. Click on the uninstall button above. Now all you have to do is follow all the instructions they will be telling you, then it will take like 20 seconds to finish. Once you finish the process, your program will be uninstalled. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.